Let's tour a 2-bedroom villa at Copper Creek located at Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort. The living room sits between both bedrooms as a communal space. There's a kitchen with full-size appliances. And even a full-size washer and dryer. That's a great perk here. Bedroom number 1 is huge and comes with 2 queen beds, a very nice bath, and 2 vanities. The master bedroom has a king bed and a spa bath. Two bedrooms also come with an extended balcony with great views of the resort.